Hello everyone, myself Aarti AS. Namo Namaha. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. Today we are going to study Bhasha Bhyasah on page number 49. First is Shlokam Pathitva Artham Anvishyata Saralartham Likhata. That means read the verse and write the plain meaning. These verses are composed by Sampadananda Mishra. First verse, Nimilya netre pibami dugdham mushaka shatruhu kathayata koham. Nimilya netre means closing my eyes. Netre is dvivachanam of netram shabda. Netre means two eyes. Pibami means I drink. Dugdham means milk. Mushaka shatruhu means mushakasya shatruhu. Enemy of mice. Mushaka means mice. Kathayata means tell. Koham means kaha aham. Koham means who I am. I drink milk closing my eyes. I am the enemy of mice. Tell me who I am. So, from these pictures, you have to find out who is described in this verse. So, answer is Marjarah, a cat. Second verse, Vrikshat vriksham kurde satatam dharami puchham kathayata koham. Vrikshat vriksham means from one tree to another tree. Kurde means I jump. Satatam means constantly. Dharami means I have. Puchham, a tail. Kathayata koham, tell me who I am. I jump from one tree to another constantly. I have a tail. Tell me who I am. Whose description is this? A monkey. Markatah. Answer is Markatah. Third verse, Nasikayaham pibami toyam vishalakayah kathayata koham. Nasikaya means with nose. Aham means I. Pibami, I drink. Toyam means water. Vishalakayah means huge body. Kathayata means tell. Koham means who I am. So, I drink water with my nose. I have a huge body. Tell me who I am. Who is described in this verse? Gajah. So, answer is Gajah, an elephant. Fourth verse. Bhashami ratrau drishtva chauram vakrapuchakah kathayata koham. Bhashami means I bark. Ratrau means at night. Drishtva, when I see. Chauram, a thief. Vakrapuchakah means having a curved tail. Kathayata koham. So, meaning is I bark seeing a thief at night. I have a curved tail. Tell me who I am. So, who is described in this verse? A dog. Answer is Shunakah. Fifth verse, Megham drishtva karomi nrityam vistruta pichchah kathayata koham. Megham means cloud. Drishtva, after seeing. Karomi, I do. Nrityam, dance. Means I dance. Vistrit pichchah means having a large plumage. Having a spread of feathers, which is large. Kathayata koham. Tell me who I am. Who is described in this verse? Mayurah, a peacock. So answer is Mayurah. Second question is Chitra varnanam kuruta prahelikam rachayata. That means describe the picture and compose a riddle by filling up the blanks. First, Mama varnah haritah. My color is green. Haritah means green. Varnah means color. Dash mama priyam khadyam. See in the picture is eating a chili. So maricham mama priyam khadyam. Chili is my favorite food. Priyam khadyam means favorite food. Mama chanchuhu rakta. My beak is red. Chanchuhu means beak. Rakta means red. Aham kaha. Who I am. Then see in the picture it is a parrot. So shukah. Answer is shukah. Second is aham chayam dash. So chayam yachami. With aham yachami. I give shade. Aham dash yachami. See in the picture there is a tree and we want to say I give fruits. So aham falani yachami. Falani means fruits. Aham dash api yachami. I give flowers too. Pushpani. Aham pushpani api yachami. Pushpani means flowers. Aham kaha. Who I am. So tree. Vrikshah. Answer is vrikshah. Third one. Mama varnah dash. See in the picture it is black. So mama varnah krishnah. My color is black. Kintu aham dash kakah. But I am not a crow. So kintu aham na kakah. Aham madhuram kujami. I coo sweetly. Madhuram means sweetly. Kujami means coo. Aham vrikshe dash. So I live on the tree. Aham vrikshe vasami. Aham kaha. Who I am. A cuckoo means kokilah. Cuckoo means kokilah. Fourth one. Mama varnah dash. See in the picture it is black. So mama varnah krishnah. My color is black. Aham dash viharami. So I wander in the sky. So akashe. Aham akashe viharami. I wander in the sky. Aham dash yachami. Aham jalam yachami. I give water. Jalam means water. Aham kaha. Who I am. A cloud. You can see in the picture it is a cloud. So meghah. In Sanskrit cloud means meghah. If you like my teaching then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. Namo Namah. Punah Milamah. Dhanyavadah.